Welcome to Illuminati Silver. We tell you the truth about silver. Today is Monday the 20th of August 2018 and we're discussing silver versus platinum, how they compare, size of the market, their uses, and whether one offers a better investment opportunity than the other. Both platinum and silver have been used since ancient times, dating back to over 3000 BC. Platinum is a rare metal and does not corrode, discolour, or fade with time. Today, most platinum is produced in South Africa, with the global annual output of platinum being 100 times less than that of silver. Although it is more common, silver was at one stage considered more valuable than gold and was even used as currency. Platinum is used in catalytic converters, laboratory equipment, electrical contacts and electrodes, platinum resistance thermometers, dentistry equipment, and jewelry. Silver, too, has a plethora of uses, including jewelry, solar panels, photography, medicines, electronics, plastics, detergents, water purification, as well as a monetary metal. As prices currently stand, platinum today is $793 an ounce, and silver is $14.69 an ounce. We smile a little because in preparation for this video, we looked at our videos on platinum back in 2015, where earlier in that year, platinum was over $1,000, and we said prices would fall further. Then that September, they were $930, and we said prices would go lower. And then again in November, when prices were $846, we said this was not low enough. This was a brave statement, as our counterparts and so-called experts were saying that this was a ridiculously low price and will skyrocket from these levels. Whilst they did recover a little for a short while, all the economic signs were there for a further fall. And now with prices at $793, we feel vindicated. We said the same about silver when it was just $15.50, and it fell to $13.50 that year. And today it stands only $1 above that level. Oh, how many people stated when silver rose from that low that we were now on a bull run with silver heading for its all-time high at $50. And frankly, our analysis just simply could not justify it. To be frank, it even failed the justification for it to rise to just over $20, which it did in August 2016. And once again, we feel vindicated. But enough of us. Let's get back to platinum and silver. While at first glance both silver and platinum appear silver in color, the two metals are actually easily discernible to the naked eye. Both have grey undertones, unlike white gold, which has a warmer yellow undertone. But platinum is much brighter and shinier, and silver has a duller grey appearance. Silver is a soft metal that wears down quickly and tarnishes easily. One of the biggest advantages of platinum is its high melting point, making it hard enough to not require any alloys. Silver is one of the most affordable jewelry metals. It's also great for costume jewelry that goes in and out of style. Platinum is one of the most expensive metals for jewelry making, second to rhodium, which is typically only found as a coating over gold to increase its durability. Platinum is a metal of choice for jewelry wearers with sensitive skin. It's naturally hypoallergenic and shouldn't cause any skin irritation. Platinum used to be the most expensive of the precious metals, though we have now seen it fall considerably below gold's price. This was due to a number of factors, including its rarity, higher levels of purity when used in jewellery, and the complex level of expertise and tools required when crafting jewellery from platinum. In addition, platinum and its sister metal palladium are widely used in catalytic converters that reduce harmful emissions from automobiles. Platinum is used in converters for diesel engines, while palladium is used for engines that run on gasoline. Silver, on the other hand, is the most affordable of the precious metals. This makes it ideal for costume jewellery and larger statement pieces. Of course, our listeners are well aware of the other uses of silver, whether it be in electronics, medicine, white goods, mirrors, and solar panels, and many other applications. So one of the questions we are often asked is, which is the better investment, silver or platinum? Now, whilst we do not give investment advice, there are a few factors which we can cover very easily and are obvious to observe. 1. The silver to platinum ratio is 54:1. This means that for every ounce of platinum you can buy 54 ounces of silver. This makes silver more easily affordable and provides the potential for significant gearing. What do we mean? Well, when gold reached its peak in 2011 at approximately $1,900 an ounce, we are rounding up figures to make the maths easy here, platinum also stood at $1,900 and silver touched $50. So let's suppose these metals went back to those prices just after you had invested $10,000 in them at today's price. Well, your platinum holdings will be worth $23,959, while your silver holdings will be worth $34,036. A $10,000 difference in favor of silver. Now, whilst we cannot say for certain that all of these will go back to the same price they were 7 years ago, you can see the gearing effect that buying silver has. In addition, platinum's all-time high was $2,162 back in 2008, while silver was $50, albeit for a brief moment. So one could argue that platinum, currently standing at 36% of its all-time high, while silver stands at 29% of its all-time high, silver has further ground to make up as a percentage, or in other words, it's at a greater discount than platinum, and therefore offers better value. Now let's suppose you decided you were going to go out and purchase a platinum coin and silver coin from an online dealer. Let's say a silver eagle, which would cost you around $17, and a platinum eagle around $875. So the silver premium over spot is $3 or 20%, and the platinum premium over spot is $82 or 10%. So percentage-wise, platinum seems to offer the better deal. But when you compare it to gold, where the premium is between 3 to 4%, which is more than half that of platinum, it's worth putting this into perspective. So far, therefore, it looks as if silver is offering the best potential for investment purposes. But what we haven't addressed so far is supply versus demand. Now, we have mentioned in our recent videos on silver that although there is a supply deficit compared to demand, there is enough above ground stocks to mop up this deficit for the next 10 to 20 years. But what is the situation with platinum? Well, according to the World Platinum Investment Council's report published in March of this year, which incorporates analysis of platinum supply and demand during the first quarter and full year for 2018, they predict A, Supply will tighten in 2018 compared to 2017, with South African mine supply falling in Q1 to its lower level since 2016. B. Global demand for platinum is forecast to be marginally up for the year, despite a fall in total global automotive demand, with growth in commercial vehicles insufficient to offset lower demand from passenger cars. C. These fundamental shifts will contribute to a reduction in the level of overall surplus for the year, down to 180,000 ounces, from a revised surplus figure of 315,000 ounces in 2017. Q1 2018 was in fact in deficit by 125,000 ounces. D. Key highlights include a predicted recovery in both jewelry and industrial demand for 2018. Global demand for platinum jewelry is predicted to climb by 2%. This will be powered by a strong global economic growth, alongside continued demand from India as larger retailers with multiple stores gain market share from the independent sector. Demand from China is predicted to increase as a platinum campaign to target millennials bears fruit. E. An increase in industrial demand, plus 60,000 ounces, is expected to be fueled by requirements from the petroleum industry, with use in refining up led by the recovery in Japan. And F. In line with previous forecasts, investment demand is predicted to be 250,000 ounces in 2018. Demand in the first quarter of the year was buoyed by strong bar and coin sales, helped by the release of the US Mint's bullion and proof platinum American Eagle coins. Now that was quite a mouthful. So in summary, they forecast that global platinum demand is expected to increase marginally this year, based on a 2% recovery in jewelry demand in Asian markets, as well as a 6% demand increase for industrial applications. This, combined with a 2% decline in supply owed to mine closures in South Africa, will result in a tighter 2018. Now, with regard to above-ground stocks, there is some debate amongst professionals, ranging from 3 to 5 years surplus to 5 to 10 years surplus, but much less than silver's. So certainly as far as this body is concerned, it is positive about the future for platinum. So why have we seen platinum prices fall? Well, the diesel fiasco involving Audi cars and others, plus the trend away from diesel automobiles, a lack in investment demand in 2017, and of course the significant rise in the value of the dollar have all taken their toll. So what of the future? Well, at current levels, platinum prices are low and appear quite cheap. Of course, if the dollar strengthens further, then we can expect to see prices fall from these levels. Having said that, certainly in view of the relatively robust recovery platinum demand seems to have experienced this year, and with mine supply falling further, it is certainly a metal that is open to an attractive price rise in the relatively near future. However, before you rush out, sell your home and purchase all of the platinum you can, also take into account the potential for rising interest rates and a higher US dollar, the larger premiums charged for platinum coins compared to gold, but lower than for silver, and also whether you believe that the world's economy still has significant growth potential, for without it, like silver, the industrial demand will fall. As far as we are concerned in the UK, like silver, platinum attracts an additional 20% VAT rate charge. And so apart from perhaps purchasing a few coins as part of a collection, we would prefer to purchase gold instead, as it attracts no VAT. and still believe that slightly lower prices are lurking ahead, though we are not enormously far from the bottom. We hope you have found this video interesting and informative, and if so, please give it a thumbs up and share it on Twitter. Please ensure that you have subscribed to our channel and press the bell sign so that you are notified of any future videos. Also, kindly visit our website at illuminatisilver.com. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe as a free member for regular email updates and offers. Disclaimer: Illuminati silver owners come from a background of banking, international wealth management and economics. Having now retired from these worlds, we are not qualified to give investment advice. Therefore, this and other productions must not be deemed to be giving such advice and merely represent the personal views of its owners.